In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Yahoo email password. If you've forgotten your password or think it's time to change it, don't worry. This process is straightforward. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection and access to the phone number or recovery email linked to your Yahoo account. Since you'll need one of those to verify your identity, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar at the very top, type yahoo.com and press enter. This takes you to the Yahoo homepage. It's best to use the address bar rather than a search result to ensure you're on the official site. On the Yahoo homepage, look toward the upper right corner for the sign in option. Click it to open the login screen. Here, you'll see a field where you can enter your Yahoo email address. Type your full email address carefully and continue. On the sign in page, select Forgot Password. This will bring up Yahoo's account recovery options. You'll be asked to choose how you want to verify your identity, either by receiving a code at your recovery phone number or at your recovery email. Pick the option you can access right now. Yahoo will show a partially hidden number or email so you can confirm it's yours. Next, check your phone or inbox for a 6-digit verification code. These codes expire quickly, so open the message as soon as it arrives. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment, then refresh your inbox or check your spam or junk folder. When you have the code, enter all 6 digits exactly as shown, and then click Next to continue. You'll now be guided through the on-screen steps to reset your password. Create a strong, memorable password that's unique to this account, ideally a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using common words or anything easy to guess. Type it slowly to prevent typos, confirm it when prompted, and proceed. Passwords are case sensitive, so pay attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. After you complete these prompts, you should see a confirmation that your password has been updated. In many cases, you'll be signed in automatically. If not, return to the sign-in page and log in with your new password. If the layout looks a little different from what you're seeing here, that's okay. Yahoo occasionally updates its design. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and the steps will be the same in essence. That's it. You've reset your Yahoo email password and regained access to your account.